Hi everyone. I'll get straight to the point. This is my 2006 MacBook Pro. It is having a problem booting up into Windows, but booting up to OS X is no problem. I don't know how to explain it to you, so I think I'll just show you what happens. So here's where they ask me if I want to choose. Let me just brighten up the screen a bit. Okay. Windows. So there's our loading screen. Everything looks like it's working fine. Let me just check over here. Why is it? That's funny. Why is it so slow? Ah, there. Alright. Now take a very close look. Alright. Look what happens after this. So now I'm in my desktop, right? Yay, everything seems to be working fine. Wonderful, happy day. I can press. Oh, what is this? And it just resets itself. So I don't even know what to say to the Apple technicians, or I don't even think they have a Genius bar in my country. Anybody here have any advice how I can fix this? Please let me know as soon as possible. Thank you very much.